Let's build a multivari analysis in EzSolve, starting by opening the EzSolve workspace. Open the Statistical Analysis section to start setting up the analysis. Select the multivari option from the available analysis types. Create a new multivari analysis. Enter a clear name for the analysis. Open the Verification and Action Item selector. Choose the Inadequate Cooling Rate Action Item group. Select the action item for measuring cooling time from roaster discharge to storage. Move to the Setup step. Click into the Response Name field. Enter the response name for the measurement. Add the response units, such as seconds. Click into the Replicates field. Set the replicates value to 2. Choose the axis and marker layout for the multivari chart. Add the first factor to the setup. Add a second factor. Add a third factor. Rename the first factor. Rename the second factor. Open the material thickness factor levels. Select the material thickness levels for editing. Edit the level name for material thickness. Save the updated material thickness levels. Rename the third factor. Open the ambient temperature factor levels. Select the ambient temperature levels for editing. Edit the ambient temperature level name. Save the revised factor levels. Open the measurements area. Choose the Paste Tabular Data option for the measurement table. Open the charts view to inspect the multivari plot. Move material thickness inward in the chart nesting order. Move ambient temperature outward in the chart nesting order. Move cooling fan speed outward in the chart nesting order. Ask AI to summarize the multivari line patterns. Open the first AI insight to review the chart pattern summary. Review the AI note about the possible material thickness effect. Open the saved AI interpretation instead of starting a new request. Review the saved interpretation details. Click OK to close the interpretation dialog.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more EzSolve tutorials.